name is Jackson.
And my name is George. We are a part of the Faces Project.
Today we would like to talk about the elements of a surprise face. This is a surprise face.
The eyebrows are up, the eyes are wide open, the mouth is open as if the jaws simply fell open.
Similar to the happy face video, we will show some paintings of surprise faces. This is the scream. Edvard Munch painted it.
Even the name can tell you it's screaming. Just look at the face. Everyone's favorite lovable character, Mickey Mouse, surprised.
Hello, Bugs Bunny. Lose a carrot?
Ah, Donald, what's wrong?
Scooby, is there a ghost? Surprise is the quickest emotion on the face. You can't be surprised for long. Can you figure out which pair of eyes is surprised? Let's review the elements of a surprise face. The brows are raised so that they are curved and high.
The skin below the brows is scratched.
Horizontal wrinkles go across the forehead.
Have you ever wondered what the white part of your eye is? It's called a sclera.
So why mention the sclera?
When you are surprised, you can see the sclera above and probably below the iris.
Remember Scooby? Look at his raised eyebrows and stretched skin around the eyes.
Do you see Donald's wide open mouth?
Can you see his sclera with the small iris?
And again, we have the circle mouth. So you get surprised when you see something scary, super cool.
Exactly right.
So when I see surprised, I know what to look for.
Stay tuned for more from the Faces Project.